Welcome to Business News Essay. Today we take a look at drop servicing. Build your business by serving without sweat. The entrepreneurial spirit burns bright in many, but the thought of juggling tasks like product creation, inventory management, or service delivery can be daunting. Enter drop servicing, a business model that empowers you to offer services to clients without the burden of direct fulfillment. This guide unveils the secrets of drop servicing, equipping you to build a thriving business by focusing on client acquisition and management, while outsourcing the actual service delivery to skilled freelancers. What is drop servicing? Drop servicing is a service-oriented spin on the dropshipping model. Here's the core principle. Attract and secure clients, identify your target market and convince potential clients to choose your services for their needs. Client needs assessment, understand your client's specific requirements for the desired service. Find the perfect freelancer, source skilled and reliable freelancers who can deliver the service to your client's specifications. Manage the project, coordinate communication between the client and the freelancer, ensuring deadlines are met and quality standards are upheld. Deliver and collect payment. Once the service is complete and the client is satisfied, deliver the final work and collect your payment. Your profit is the difference between what you charge the client and what you pay the freelancer. The advantages of drop servicing. Low startup costs. There's no need to invest in equipment, software, or training for service delivery. This minimizes financial risk and allows you to test different service offerings. Scalability made easy. Your business scales with demand. As you acquire more clients, you simply outsource additional projects to freelancers, freeing up your time to focus on client acquisition and management. Expertise not essential. You don't need to be an expert in the services you sell. Focus on building strong client relationships and managing projects effectively. Location independence. Run your drop servicing business from anywhere with an internet connection. The geographical limitations of traditional service-based businesses disappear. Building your drop servicing empire. 1. Choosing your service niche. Selecting the right service niche is crucial for success. Here are some factors to consider. Your skills and interests. Choose a niche where you have some transferable skills or genuine interest. This helps you understand client needs better and build trust during the sales process. Market demand. Research potential service niches to ensure there's a healthy demand and clients willing to pay for your services. Competition landscape. Analyze the level of competition in your chosen niche. Consider offering a specialized service within the niche to differentiate yourself from competitors. 2. Finding top-tier freelancers. The quality of your freelancer network directly impacts client satisfaction and your business reputation. Here's how to find top-notch freelancers. Freelance marketplaces. Utilize platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com to browse freelancer profiles, read reviews, and assess skill sets. Social media groups. Join industry-specific social media groups or online forums where skilled freelancers may advertise their services. Direct outreach. Reach out to individual freelancers whose work you admire and inquire about their availability and rates. 3. Building a client acquisition arsenal. Attracting clients is the lifeblood of your drop servicing business. Here are some effective strategies. Content marketing magic. Create valuable content related to your service niche. This can be blog posts, infographics, or videos that educate potential clients and establish you as an authority figure. Social media savvy. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn or Facebook to connect with potential clients. Share valuable content, participate in relevant discussions, and showcase the benefits of your services. Website as your digital hub. Develop a professional website that clearly outlines your service offerings, showcases successful client projects, and provides clear calls to action for potential clients to contact you. Networking power: attend industry events, connect with potential clients online and offline, and build relationships that can lead to future partnerships and client opportunities.